Yo guys, welcome back to the channel. And yeah, I was enjoying my K20 turbo all-wheel drive Civic EG, as you could see in the intro, and didn't notice you guys there, so yeah, sorry for that. Today we are going to install the Brakestopper, as I mentioned in the previous video, but that had to wait because the bolt that goes to the cylinder thingamabobber, I don't know the name of it, where it presses this little guy against, wasn't long enough, so I had to create something new. So I got that here, should be enough. So yeah, we're going to install that, and we're also going to install some new wheels I got for the car. Again, they are slipstreams, but this time they are black and a size smaller, 15-inch. So yeah, I don't want to talk too much because I know that's boring, so let's get cracking on this job. So we're gonna start by removing the bracket for the throttle cable, because it's in the way to get this nut off right here, and I have to remove the nut here, and then I can place the Brakestopper and press it against here, so it keeps this into place when you brake, and that's the whole point of the Brakestopper. So yeah, let's do that now. So here we have the Brakestopper installed. That's all there is to it. So yeah, I'm gonna move the car now, and then we're gonna put the new wheels on. Yo guys, it's a new day. Maybe as you can see, I got a haircut and it's pretty nice outside, so we're back in a t-shirt. Yeah, I totally forgot to film an outro for this video, so yeah, I quickly went to the industrial in my town here and shot a couple of clips. So we're gonna roll that now as an outro. I hope you guys enjoy. We'll see you in the next one, and if you like the video, consider subscribing to the channel. Yeah, like I said, this is going to be the outro, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.